Today I have a tutorial to show how to create a Gmail signature similar to the signature I created last week using Apple Mail. So the first thing I do is I go to the settings icon at the top right after I've logged into Gmail from my inbox. You can see it on the right, top right. And I scroll down to Signatures, Create New. So I type a name for it, and I'm going to show the formats that I had last week as well, the color and the type styling. And I'm going to type my basic information. Then the type I had last week was Helvetica oblique 14 and Helvetica bold 14. And the colors I had for both of these lines were the hex color value 6.3s, 33333, and then RGB 51, 51, 51. So I'm going to try to get as close as I can to that using the formatting options at the bottom of the text window. So, and as I mentioned last week, sometimes it is better to stick with the system font, and this is a good example why. Because it crosses applications generally. So the closest I can come to Helvetica would be the default sans serif that's already loaded. And as far as the size, it appears this is the closest I can come, is a large. And the color, the text color, 5151, you can see when you hover over the color values, the RGB color value that appears is, it seems like the closest is 53, 153 is 68, 68, 68. So I'm going to pick that. And here, this link icon, I'm going to swipe over my website text. You can also use an email, and I'm going to add a link. And it defaults, it picks up those characters and adds your URL. So if that's fine, I'm just going to say yes. You can also switch to an email. And I'm going to see if a text color change will take, which I don't think it will, no. Italic, I'm going to make that italic. I can do that change. I can make this bold, which is similar to what I have, the styling I have there. I'm going to add 3 spaces. 2 spaces is plenty in this format. And I'm going to add my logo here using this icon, Insert Image. So I have already uploaded my art. PNG, GIF, JPEG are best. If you can get away with PNG or GIF, I would use that. Then you just drag your file there, but I've already done that, so it appears in my drive. Select it. And that's my copy of the signature that I had last week. As close to as I can get with the built-in formatting. So then I'm going to use that as my default signature. And make sure you save at the bottom, because otherwise it'll ask if you want to discard. Then when I compose my new email, it appears. And you can make changes here, back here in the settings by scrolling down using these icons, edit or delete, and start over. So that's my tip for today, how to create a Gmail signature using the built-in formatting tools. Please like if you learned something, subscribe. Thank you for watching.